This one will stick over here.
It's not like I imagined it.
Welcome back to Shed Build. So today we have Sunday, and as you said, we should take rest, right?
Yeah,
Resting.
resting.
So we are like in a lot of thinking, and right now we try to mount a Honda alternator, which is small, but it doesn't work there in that spot. So right now Aurimas will remove all the original power steering pump system, and we will try to locate our new old alternator in here. Aurimas actually worked here yesterday too, and transmission bracket is also done. So right now we are like thinking what to do with steering rack, and the idea is like to try to find some kind of electric steering rack, so we would be able to run it on wires only.
It's funny because we want to place electric power steering rack, but yet to find solution for alternator.
Yeah. So now we will try to measure it, and we will update you if it works or no.
12 seconds later.
Welcome back. So what do you have?
Really cool alternator, 90 ampere hours. It's from Toyota Avensis or Corolla? Avensis 1.8. I'm gonna live in here.
Yeah, so we already measured it, so we will need some cutting, some drilling, and it should just fit like it belongs in here.
Definitely.
Yeah, and you got some more Corolla parts, no, Toyota parts. What's that? For people who don't know,
Electric power steering.
column.
Yeah, column, pretty massive thing, but I could not find any smaller one. So, yep, this is what we have.
Was it expensive?
Guess
I don't know, 50 euro.
50 is regular price, street price, 40 is mine price.
Okay, okay. So you're not overpaying for your build.
No. Well, I already overpaid for example donor car.
Yeah. Good luck.
Let's see what we have.
One eternity later.
Well, I'm not sure how I'm going to fit it. Well, where I have the idea, but how, still have no idea. I could bolt this motor right here.
It would look awesome.
Yeah, but it would work like this. Perfect.
Perfect. Oh boy.
Happy days.
This one will stick over here.
It's not like I imagined it.
Aurimas now is learning. So Aurimas will remove dash and the rest, so we would be able to measure column. And meanwhile, I will try to fit that alternator in the position. So we will update you in the process. Here we are 3 hours later. Aurimas?
I haven't.
Looks very tidy.
Charming, looks charming.
So right now it does not fit yet, but we believe that if we remove accelerator pedal, it might work. Maybe no, but maybe yes.
This vent interferes, it's quite wide.
Maybe we can route it from upper side, no?
I guess we can ditch the vent to, well, this is to your legs and to your face, this one. Do we need it?
Oh boy. And meanwhile I finally attached alternator. So if someone asks, it fits. I still need to change angle slightly, but otherwise it looks like it should be here. You see it's like slightly bent out. So I need some shims to move it that way.
The amazing part, it's not rusty. Because there should be hole. But there is none. So
Yeah, so for Tuesday I think that's it. We will continue this weekend.
I'm done with this stuff.
Oh boy.
Day 4.
So Aurimas, what do you have in here?
This is, I'm not 100% sure, but I guess G-Class Mercedes exhaust header. Another one is here. I was looking for these manifolds. I'm not sure if it's G-Class or whatever, but yeah, it's from this engine. Well, not this particular engine, but it fits. So yeah, finally we have that. The one that will fit should fit a lot better, at least, because as you can see, this was pointing like that. They are the same side, and or probably no. This is same side. Yeah. So as you can see, totally different design. This was hitting the frame rail, and this is not gonna do that. So yeah.
So chop chop.
Chop chop and weld and go.
Yeah. So now we will probably just test fit those and continue our work on steering, because we had a hard time to push.
It was burning some oil, definitely.
Most probably.
Somehow I was looking in Polish site, the best Polish site on earth, where all the stuff is, and there was none of such thing. And I don't know, maybe 2 days later I searched again and I'm looking and decent. Holy smokes, it's what I need. So yeah, I bought these. It was quite cheap.
This is clutch and brake pedals, right?
Yeah,
And accelerator pedal will be electronic one.
yeah.
Yeah. So we will have to remove it from this car, the original one.
Yeah, 2 parts from that CLS, the engine and the throttle. We will need to do this. As you can see, it has plug. We will have to chop it and to route it to clutch.
Wow. Sounds like a difficult one.
Really. It's difficult. But yeah, of course, we will have to do custom clutch line to the transmission and clutch itself. But that's not difficult part.
1 eternity later.
So here it is.
Here it is.
What did you talk about? Numbers.
So, yeah, as you can see, part number is same, and parts obviously are not the same, but the number is for this bracket, which is, I guess, same. Yeah, I'm gonna fit it. Not sure. I guess.
Meanwhile, I removed this one, so there will be like
All 3 pedals. Yeah.
yeah.
El Manuel.
Bolt on. So we did like 1 hour measurement.
And he had to call to a friend.
Yeah, so right now we will just cut here to remove this fitting
We will unweld.
Unweld, yeah, and this, and this, and that, everything.
Yep.
So we could clock it to the right position. The right position is this next to the door, because we have lots of space right there. So right now, cutting, grinding, welding, and then we will show you how we managed to fit it.
In the gap.
So after a whole day, what we managed to do?
Wait a second. Yeah, I can confirm. It's not gonna.
So as you can,
What we managed to do. We did some cutting, welding, drilling, usual stuff. And yeah, we placed this. I'm gonna show with my leg. This, motor, well, steering shaft with motor.
we clocked it.
Yeah, we had to clock it so that it would play with our pedals, with 2 of our pedals, and yeah, it works fine right now. And well, I have to trim it, this plastic a bit also, but that's not critical. Yeah, later on we will see how to route it down to the rack and pinion, which isn't there yet. Yeah, that's it.
That's it. So if you are asking us why we are doing stuff so slowly, we can confirm.
We are slow people.
And this one still is in my hands because we were not able to remove original accelerator.
this piece of shit is stuck here, and that piece of shit is behind this shit.
Yeah. I hope, I think that YouTube would help us, but as we are professional YouTubers, we will do it by ourselves. Oh boy.
You see, I have this button.
Yeah, racing
Mega
button.
power.
Mega power button.
Boom! Tag.
Oh boy. So thank you for watching. I don't know, we will update you in 2 weeks.
Probably.
So see ya, bye.